Welcome to Wheel Check Review. Today we're diving into something that completely redefines what it means to travel in luxury. The 2026 Volvo Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just another motorhome. This is a rolling mansion built for those who dream of style, power, and comfort in one perfect package. Imagine the quiet power of Volvo's world-class engineering, combined with the elegance of Scandinavian design. That's what makes this motorhome a class apart. It's where technology meets tranquility, turning every road trip into a first-class journey. From the moment you see it, you know this is not your average motorhome. The sleek aerodynamic body, signature Volvo LED headlights, and bold chrome detailing make it look like something straight out of the future. Every curve, every line of the exterior screams precision and confidence. Volvo has built this with one goal: to deliver unmatched safety and comfort, no matter how far your adventure takes you. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Luxury Motorhome carries a powerful yet efficient hybrid diesel-electric engine, giving you the muscle to conquer long distances while keeping the ride whisper smooth. The suspension system is intelligently tuned for both highways and off-road comfort, while Volvo's legendary safety systems make every journey feel secure and effortless. Step inside, and it feels like stepping into a luxury apartment on wheels. Soft leather recliners, ambient LED lighting, a full kitchen with premium appliances, and a spacious bedroom designed for deep, peaceful rest. The craftsmanship is pure Scandinavian luxury. Clean lines, natural wood finishes, and high-end materials everywhere you look. Volvo's design philosophy of less is more truly shines inside this motorhome. Technology takes center stage here too. The cockpit comes alive with digital displays, advanced navigation, and voice command controls. You can manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with just a word. And the best part? The soundproof cabin makes the outside world fade away, letting you relax as if you're in a luxury suite, even when you're miles from home. The 2026 Volvo Luxury Motorhome isn't just about getting to your destination. It's about enjoying every single moment on the road. It's for people who crave freedom, but never want to give up comfort or class. Every mile feels like a journey through elegance and innovation. So, if you've ever dreamed of taking luxury wherever you go, the 2026 Volvo Luxury Motorhome is the dream come true. Thank you for watching Wheel Check Review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews of amazing machines like this one. See you in the next video.